Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing this makeup look. This is a simple glittery makeup look. So here I am using simple moisturizer, and this is lightweight moisturizer with SPF 15, and it's great for all skin type, especially for oily skin type. Next is this biotic lip balm. This is so moisturizing and also helps in lightening your pigmented lips. So I'm using this Inside Cosmetic primer. This primer is really good and affordable, and it's suitable for all skin type. I really like this primer. I'm oily skin type and this really works for me. Next I'm using this Avon True foundation in shade Porcelain. This is little lighter than my shade, but it's on warmer tone, so it suits my skin tone. Even if you are applying a shade lighter than you, just choose your right tone. This foundation is so lightweight and moisturizing. It's really look good after blending. Next I'm using this Fit Me Compact, as I've totally forgot to apply concealer, but this foundation doesn't even need concealer. So next I'm using this Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. It has thick consistency, so you have to brush it after applying so it can give a natural look. So next we will use this Beauty Glaze Reversal eyeshadow palette. This has all warm earthy tones. So I took a light brown shade and applied all over my crease, and took a dark reddish color and applied on my eyelid and blended both the shades. Next I will use this same shade on my lower eyelid so it can make my eyes look bigger. And next this is red glitter, which I applied with the help of a brush, and this is Avon Simply Pretty eyeliner. This eyeliner has so thin bristles, you can apply your eyeliner so perfectly. So I'm using my favorite mascara. This is Avon Simply Pretty mascara. This is so lightweight and gives you long lashes. And this is Avon Mark liquid lipstick. So I usually don't contour too much. I apply this liquid lipsticks on my cheekbones and my nose so it can give a contour effect. This liquid lipstick has shimmer particles in it, so it looking shiny. And this is Swiss Beauty lip liner. I'm applying on my lip. Next I will use Avon Mark liquid lipstick, which is in another shade. So this lipstick turned out so pretty. And that's it. This is a really simple makeup tutorial. So if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel.